This video is divided into 5 parts. In the end you will get bonus tip. So watch till end. Step 1. Make a cross. First, you will need to join colors with green, like red, yellow, orange and white. If you are stuck in this situation, do this. Do this again. After that, you are done with part 1. Next, move to part 2. Step 2. Fill up the corners. Here you will need to see 3 sides, like green, red and yellow at the same time. To solve the corners here, use the simple trick given in the video or pause the video. Use the same trick on all corners. After that, you are done with part 2. Next, move to part 3. Step 3. Make the second line. You will need to see 2 sides, like red and yellow. Here only one algorithm will help, so remember it. See video with concentration. You are done with part 3. Move to part 4. Step 4. Make cross in upper portion. You will need to learn 2 algorithms in this part. The first algorithm is FRURUF. To apply this algorithm, see the video carefully. The second algorithm called push is RURURURU. To apply the push algorithm, you will check the position of paths given in the video. Both algorithms are given in the description below. Part 4 is done. Move to part 5. Step 5. Fill up the corners. After completing a cross pattern, you will see something like this. Then you will need to find a box that matches 3 opposite sides colors. Like this. Now it's time to put our algorithm. See the description below. Use the same algorithm again. After that, all boxes have matching colors. It's time to use our second algorithm. See the video carefully. If you do all the steps attentively, congratulations, your Rubik cube is solved. Now it's time for bonus tips. Tip number 1, don't move the cube, while in the last part just move the upper line like this. Tip number 2, when you are stuck in this situation, the easy trick to do is this: see the video carefully or check the description below. Tip number 3, if you are confused about what to do here, I will solve this with this trick. Your first thing is to see the upper side, then if you see the L shape you will start from down of the L like in the video. If you see a straight line, you will start from the left or right side of the line like in this video. If a single dot, you will start from any side of the dot. For the algorithm, see the description below. Tip number 4, if you are also confused about this part, I will solve this for you. Firstly, if you don't see the L shape, then you have to make it by the push algorithm. For your knowledge, you can use the push algorithm anywhere unless you can't make the L shape. After that, you will make the L shape, then you have to place L in the right location as given in the video. You can check the push algorithm in the description below. Tip number 5. Practice and keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. After a long time of practicing, our work will become natural, skillful, swift and steady. Bruce Lee. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more updates, like and share my video.